Okay, next one up is this a lovely BMW R1200RS. This is one they've just taken in next door at RNC Motorcycles. Will be up for sale once I have done my little bit to it. Looks like it's been sitting for a while. It's only I think 8,000 miles on it. But this is going to look lovely once I've done my bit. So we're going to do one of our full Monty valets, getting ready to put this up for sale. This is a 17 plate. Like I said, it's just 8,000 miles. So we're going to do a full clean on this, paint that center stand a little bit rusty, and then we're going to mist it with the XCP corrosion protection. So all your motor, all your suspension linkages, all your frame, everything is going to get a nice coating of the XCP. It's nice to offer that to a potential buyer. We'll get all that exhaust all polished up. We get all these wheels protected. I will do a single stage machine polish on this tank. It's, as I said, looks like it's been sitting around for a while, so we're going to see if we can polish out a few marks that it has, get it looking like it should, and get it in the showroom. Give me a couple hours. There you go, 2 hours and 20 minutes on the dot. This BMW R1200RS has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This is heading into RNC's showroom. Will be up for sale. You're looking for a low mileage mint R1200RS, give Kyle a ring. This has only got 8,000 miles on it. Absolutely immaculate. Just had one of the trot treatment packages with the XCP corrosion protection misted everywhere, all your subframe, all your frame, engine. I put a bit of paint on the center stand. Like I said, I think this bike's been sitting for a while. Did a single stage machine polish on all the bodywork as well as the windscreen. Absolutely gleaming. You're looking for a good all-rounder, you can't beat this. Got saddlebags to go on it. Heading into the showroom. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.